So here we are, we're outside. It's a whopping 11 degrees Fahrenheit where we're at. It's actually warm considering that the last couple weeks, except for a short stretch where it actually got into the 40s, we've barely been above zero. So we're outside. We've got the two AMP MTs. The one is set up with a camera so you can get first person point of view driving. And then we also have, which we haven't done a review on, two 18th scale Dromida. They got the rally car and the touring car. These are four-wheel drive. They're all brushed. Actually, all the vehicles are brushed motors. We'll get some video of these guys driving here in a minute.